Looking for someone to do your dirty work for you? Say hello to the BravoRobot. And before you ask, the answer's yes. This one really cleans. Made of high-quality material and a smart computerized system, the BravoRobot is the next-generation vacuum cleaner and the ideal choice for home and office. BravoRobot quietly cleans floors, carpets, parquet tiles and more. Controlled by an advanced intelligent program, BravoRobot comes with a wide selection of cleaning modes: fast or slow, linear, zigzag, spiral or spot cleaning. Just select when, where and how you want him to work and let BravoRobot do what he does best: clean. When the battery runs low, BravoRobot automatically searches and docks with the recharging station. Clever. And of course, you're in control. Touch any key to tell him to stop or use the remote. BravoRobot's unique twin brush system gets into those corners like no other cleaner on the market. You can even mop with a damp cloth. He follows the walls, avoids the stairs, and goes where no cleaner has gone before. With the virtual wall, you can even tell him where you don't want him to go. And as for cleaning him, it's like everything else about BravoRobot. Simplicity itself. There, job done and ready to go. BravoRobot. Let him do the work for you.